using an SN² mechanism, write the equation. Methyl chloride reacting with hydroxide to yield methanol and chlorine ion. For the purpose of clarity, I'll be representing hydroxide ion this way. We show all the bonds and the lone pairs of electrons. And also I'll be representing methyl chloride this way. CH3Cl this way. Now in SN2, what happens is that these two molecules react to produce a transition state that will later lead to the overall reaction. What happens is that this is a nucleophile. It has lone pair of electrons to donate. Because of that, the presence of this chlorine atom, which is an electron withdrawing group, the presence is threatened. So what chlorine does, as an electronegative element, chlorine will gradually start withdrawing itself as this particular hydroxide ion starts donating its electron. Because as chlorine withdraws, carbon atom here is becoming positive. So what happens is that a transition state will be formed, where we have HO with partial bond to that carbon, and chlorine being a living group, the bond becomes partial. The hydrogen atoms are still there. They are still there. You can see that this is not a real molecule because carbon atom cannot bear 5 bonds. So as this gradually comes in and chlorine gradually leaves, 5 bonds, that is 3 and these two things are 1. As chlorine gradually leaves, the bond becomes weaker and new bond is gradually being formed. Alright? So that is it. And finally, what happens is that chlorine is left. Finally, chlorine leaves. Chlorine finally leaves. And we now have HO, CH, CH, H. Or we just write our arrow and write this plus chlorine charge. So this is the methanol formed as a result of the SN² mechanism.